Welcome to Caltech Buddy. Press right and solve faster. Let's go! Calculator techniques for prime factorization. Tara! Okay. First, we define prime factorization. It is the process of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. So, kailangan makuha natin yung mga product ng prime factors. Now, ano ba yung factor? Factor of a number is a whole number that divides the number exactly. Ibig sabihin, walang remainder. So, yun yung definition ng factor. A number na magdi-divide dun sa number na hindi magbibigay ng remainder. So, factor yon. Pag sabi mo naman prime, ito yung number na merong two factors only. 1 and its set. So, pag nakuha natin yung mga prime factors, i-multiply lang natin sila and yun yung tinatawag na prime factorization. Ma-express natin yung number as a product of its prime factors. Okay? May example naman tayo later on. Now, kapag yung number hindi prime, ang tawag natin doon composite. Ito yung number na more than 2 yung kanyang factors. So, bigay tayo ng example para mas malinaw. For example, 2 is a prime number kasi yung factor niya is 1 and itself. So, yun lang yung factors niya talaga. 7 is also a prime number. So, yung factors niya is simply 1 and itself. So, 2 is a prime, 7 is a prime. Bigay tayo ng composite numbers naman. 6 is a composite numbers kasi marami siyang factors. So, una sa lahat, ang factor ng 6 is 1 in itself. Also, another factor ng 6 is 2 and 3. So, more than 2 yung kanyang factors. So, ang factors ng 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, since more than 2, composite yung 6. Okay. So, we already defined prime numbers. And then, we already defined kung ano yung factor. Now, proceed tayo sa prime factorization. Okay. Ano ba siya ginagawa? For example, what is the prime factorization of the number 30? Ang typical na solution dito is gumawa ng factor 3, also known as the canonical form. Factor 3 is a great tool to find all the prime factors of a number. Ang ginagawa sa factor 3, we will branch the number into different factors and mag-i-stop tayo pag prime number na siya. So, wala nang bagong branch na madadagdag. Para mas madaling maintindihan, punta tayo sa 30. So, yung 30, this is a composite number. So, marami pong factors. So, i-detail natin to into primes. So, ginagawa ko, usually, dinidivide ko ng 2. So, 2, 30. Divide natin ng 2. So, lalabas yan 15. So, 2 and 15. Yung 2 is a prime number. So, mag-stop na yung branch sa 2. Yung 15, hindi naman siya prime number. So, i-breakdown pa natin yan into primes. So, yung 15, obviously, hindi siya divisible sa 2. So, pakita tayo sa 3. So, 15, divide natin ng 3. So, 5. So, pag dinigdown natin yung 15, 3 tapos 5. 2 is a prime number. 8 is also a prime number. 5 is a prime number. So, mag-stop na tayo dyan kasi ang natira na lang dun sa factor 3 natin are prime numbers. Meaning, ang prime factorization ng 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. So, yun yung definition ng prime factorization. Product ng kanyang mga prime factors. So, 2, 3, and 5. Panalaman niyo naman tama yung nakuha niyong answer. So, pag minultiply yung 2 sa 3 sa 5, nabalik tayo sa original number. So, this is correct. Ibig sabihin. Okay. Now, develop tayo. Lakihan natin yung number. For example, we want to calculate the prime factorization of 420. So, pinaka-simple, divide natin ng 2 as much as possible. So, 420, divide natin ng 2. So, magiging 2 and 210. 210, divide natin ng 2. So, magiging 2 and 105. 105, divide natin ng 2. So, hindi na yan divisible. So, hindi na pwede. Sa 3 naman natin padaanin. So, that's 3 and 35. Tapos, yung 35, hindi na yan divisible sa 3. So, divisible yan sa 5. So, 35, divide natin ng 5. Then, you have 5 and then 7. So, these are the prime factors. Dalawang 2 isang 3, isang 5, isang 7. So meaning to say, ang prime factorization of 420 is 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7. So that is the prime factorization. Again, para malaman na tama, so if we press 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7, babalik tayo sa original number which is 420. So meaning tama yung prime factorization natin. Now, this is Caltech body. Kailangan may matutunan tayong Caltech sa pagkuha ng prime factorization. Kasi somehow, pag malaki yung number, difficult yung factor 3. Okay, so kunyari, thousands na yung number, no, mahihirapan na tayo sa factor 3 or the canonical 4. Kung doon papasok yung Caltech. So gumagana yung Caltech na to, gamit yung Canon, 789 SGA version 2, also applicable din yan sa version 1. So, simple lang yung gagawin natin. We will press Shift P-Fact para makuha yung prime factorization. So, una, you need to press the number 420 and equal sign. Then, pag napindot yun na equal sign, saka nyo pindutin yung Shift P-Fact. And then, instantly, lalabas yung kanyang prime factorization. So, madali talaga using Canon F789 SGA version 2 and version 1. Shift P-Fact. Okay? Kahit anong numero pa yan. For example, 1,250. A big number. Equal sign, Shift P-Fact. So, ito yung kanyang prime factorization. Kung ulitin natin yung number 30 kanina, 30, equal sign, Shift P-Fact. So, yung same lang yung nakuha ang sagot. 2, 3, and 5. So, this is the best way every time magsusolve tayo ng prime factorization. So, summarize natin yung Caltech para lang malinaw. First step, you just input the number, then press equal sign. Second step, Shift P-Fact. And instantly, lalabas yung kanyang prime factorization. Okay, so maximize your calculator technique. Last item para ma-practice natin yung Caltech. Find the largest prime factors of 1,386. So, hindi na tayo gagamit ng long solution. You'll just press our calculator correctly. 1,386. Equal sign. Then, Shift P-Fact. So, ito yung kanyang mga prime factors. So, kanyang prime factorization are 2 multiplies at 3 squared times 7 times 11. Ang tinatanong is the largest prime factor. So, through observation na lang ito. So, ang largest prime factor niya should be 11. So, again, maximize your calculator technique na tinuro ni Caltech Buddy. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions or clarifications on anything we discussed, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to respond. To God be the glory. This is your Caltech Buddy. Math made easy with shortcuts, tips, and calculator techniques. Bye!